Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you how to make delicious and healthy vegetable sprout salad using an electric rice cooker. It's super easy, so let's get started. First you will need to gather all ingredient. You will need a cup of mixed sprouts, a half cup of chopped cucumber and half cup of tomato, half cup of onion and half cup of bell pepper. Now an exotic vegetables what you like. Now take your electric rice cookers and add a cup of water to it. Put the lid on and turn it on. Once the water started boiling, put a strainer on top of the rice cooker and add your mixed sprout to it and cover the strainer with a lid and let the sprouts steam for about 5 minutes. While the sprouts are steaming, take a mixing bowl and add your chopped cucumber, tomato, onion and exotic vegetables, bell peppers to it. Mix everything together well. Once the sprouts are done steaming, take them out of the strainer and add them to your mixing bowl with the other vegetable. Mix everything together well. Your vegetable sprout salad is now ready. Serve it up in bowl and enjoy your healthy and delicious meal. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipe ideas. So guys, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me and I could not do this without you. Creating content that entertain and inspire you is my passion, and I am grateful to for the opportunity to do what I love every day. Whatever you have been following me from the beginning or just recently discover my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you. Till then, bye.